So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a new custom ROM that is a Lineage OS Android 14. Now this is the recent update, and in this video as usual we will check everything like battery backup, then performance, gaming, customization, everything. So yeah, if you are planning to install this ROM or daily drive this ROM, stick around till the end of the video. Now starting with the battery backup of this ROM, as you can see the screen on time is around 7 hours and 40 minutes with screen of time of around 298 hours, that is close to 300 hours, which is pretty great in my opinion. This says a lot about the battery drain in idle condition and the stability of the ROM. And as you can see, the with the screen on 6.5% per hour of battery drain, and with the screen of time around 0.6% per hour of the battery drain. Now talking about the idle drain, as you can see the minimum idle drain went even to 0 milliamps per hour, which is great in my opinion. I don't think any other ROM has done that till now. So yeah, it's pretty great in my opinion. And you can also hide or unhide these system icons, like if you disable the vibrate, then it will not show when you put the phone on vibrate mode. So yeah, there's that. Then there are these other customizations like keyboard. This is the basically Gboard settings. You can also set these system profiles. So like automobile is I think when you are driving, as you can see here. So you can switch this to automobile when you are driving a car. Maybe it will connect to your car's Bluetooth or something like that, or maybe if you are in a meeting or school or something like that, then you can switch to silent mode. So yeah, these are pretty handy. And if you want something specific, then you can create your own profile. And these animations are pretty cool in my opinion. As you can see here, these are pretty beautiful animations, and I don't think I have seen this one in any other ROM. So anyway, these are some of the other options like gestures, quickly open the camera. These are the gestures, like if you double tap the power button, then it will ask which camera app you want. You can select always, and next time whenever you double press the power button, it will quickly launch the camera application. So yeah, it is pretty great in my opinion. It is a handy feature. So yeah, and you can also enable this swipe to screenshot. So if you swipe, then it will take a screenshot. It is pretty much self-explanatory. Then there is this updater, and you can check for updates from here. You don't really have to go anywhere like XDA or Telegram or anywhere. And you can also use this option local update to install your update files directly from here. And yeah, it is pretty seamless now. So yeah, let's talk about some other aspects of this ROM. Now talking about the benchmarks in this ROM, Iron Geek Bench 6 CPU benchmark, and this is the GPU benchmark. And as you can see, there is like 1307 of GPU OpenCL score. And in terms of CPU benchmark, as you can see, there is like 764 in single core score and 1876 in multi-core score. So yeah, there's that. I couldn't run any other tests because I just couldn't install the applications, neither from the Play Store nor from any like third-party application, Google Chrome. Nothing was working. I don't know why. It is a bug, but I just can't install applications. So yeah, there's that. And with that, safety net has passed with the flying colors. All the required tests passed successfully. So yeah, there's that. And Google photo certification is there, so you can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge. So yeah, and obviously the device is certified. So yeah, it is pretty great in my opinion. Now the application thing, I don't know if it's with my ROM or like it's the issue in this build, altogether. But yeah, it was my experience, and now I'm sharing it to you. So yeah, let me even show you, like, if I try to install this gallery application, it straight up feels like can't install gallery. And I assure you there is plenty of space in this ROM. This is a freshly installed ROM. Let me show you. So yeah, as you can see, like, there is 104 GB free storage. So yeah, storage is definitely not an issue here, and I hope the developer will fix this issue in the next update. Moving on, let's talk about the cameras in this application. And obviously you get this Leica camera, which is one of my favorite camera applications. Even the stock MIUI camera cannot match its photo quality, and obviously it clicks some great pictures. Like, let me show you. So obviously you can choose like a vibrant, like authentic, or you can also adjust the shutter speed, autofocus, and ISO and all that stuff. I won't go into the detail. And from here you can like straight up choose 108 megapixel photo if you want, and all the modes are working perfectly fine. Like ultra wide is working perfectly fine, then I think macro is also working perfectly fine. Yeah, macro, while the quality is not very great, I think, yeah, macro is working perfectly fine. I do need to clean that lens, but that's my problem. But the lens is working perfectly fine, it's focusing perfectly fine. And there are some other modes like this short video vlog mode, vlog pro mode, slow motion, and all that stuff. And there are some modes like this super moon, which you don't really get in normal MIUI camera application. So yeah, this is the added advantage. And you can also switch between like a vibrant and like authentic. You also don't get this in basic MIUI camera application. So yeah, there's that. And the pictures from this camera application turn out great, and there are no issues with the picture quality as of now. And I'll say that they are definitely better than the MIUI camera that ships by default with this device. So yeah, picture quality is not an issue. By the way, this ROM also ships with this app, audio effects. Now I couldn't really figure out how this works. Does it need earphones or what it needs? But yeah, there's that. I couldn't really figure out how this application works. But if it works for you, or if you know how this application works, then please let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for this video. And if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.